Franck, thank you so much for joining us here on Newsday. I mean, your background is on biochemistry and engineering. How did you get into photography? These are like two poles apart.
I decided to go for a world tour hitchhiking.
Right.
1 year, $3 a day.
Was this basically what raised your awareness?
Yep, exactly.
The Bishnois, the first ecologists. And actually this community integrated most of those goals created by the UN in 2015, but they created their own ones in 1485. That's over 500 years ago. They have to share, they have to give 10% of their income or their grains to wild animals. Same for water, they have to share. So you have to plant trees and you have to live in harmony with wildlife and trees. My mission is kind of inspire people, especially young generation. It's important that I put a seed in your brain today.
You will know. Franck Vogel, enjoy traveling back in time.
Very good.